PACKTALK second helmet kit with sound by JBL. Seeing that we were onto something, we decided to stop making earpieces for phones and focus on making the lives of our fellow riders better. We've been committed to this endeavor ever since. Top reviews from the United States. Best intercom on the market for motorcycles. I have 3 of these for family members, and when we ride together the connection is fast and faultless. When I hook up with some of my friends, we all connect without issue and seamless. Use the mesh mode and add riders using the app on your phone. Long battery life 8 hours plus, or connect to your bike's aux power supply using a cable and never run out. Oh yes, make sure you get the JBL speakers and your music will sound great.